Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vonile. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. Today we are doing a get ready with me. I am trying again to style my natural hair because I've shared my struggles of being a black woman, South African woman living in Germany. I find the services here quite expensive, and I feel like even though there are times when I'm willing to spend that much money on braiding my hair, it just feels like the quality is not, like I'm not pleased with what is being offered for that price. So I try to play around with my own hair of late, and sometimes I will braid my own hair. And today I'm just going to style my hair. I want to do it in an updo or like ipondo, and then we're going to do my makeup. So first we're going to start with my hair. I'm going to do something that I don't really like doing, and that is straightening my hair, but I'm going to use the straightener at the lowest heat setting. I bought the straightener specifically for my wigs and not my natural hair, but I'm gonna use it on my natural hair today, and I'm using this Tresemme heat defense. It's for all hair types, and it cares and protects for your hair. Like, I'm straightening my hair because I want it to be as flat as possible, so like that.
Maybe they don't wanna date me, maybe they don't all hate me. Maybe it's vibes, maybe it's time, maybe it's something lately. Maybe you don't understand me, you don't know how to take me. Maybe it's real, yeah, it's not so crazy, not so hasty. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine, oh yeah. Oh yeah, maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine. Yeah, something, something divine. You think you know everything, you can't tell what time will bring. You know what I adore, never cared about no ring. We smile in the moonlight now, just hand in hand. Hearts never been this happy, yeah, when it nearly ran. Tables flipped and span, holiday still got time. I'ma we drinks with Dan, we got things as planned. And we do this daily, you know we're locked in, man. And we do this daily, yeah, following that bigger plan. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine, oh yeah. Something divine, oh yeah. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine. Something divine. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine, oh yeah. Something divine, oh yeah. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something, okay. Something divine. The sweetness in your soul, only you and me would know. How many years been building now? How many moons ago? How many different layers, yeah? How many different doors? Unlocking all them chambers. Can't fix what you choose to ignore. You get there, you want more. It's never enough at all. Maybe it's fine as it is, yeah. See where the chips will fall. You get there, you want more. It's never enough at all. Maybe it's fine as it is, yeah. See where the chips will fall. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine. Oh yeah. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine. Something divine, oh yeah. Something divine, oh yeah. Something, okay, something divine. Maybe it's fine, maybe it's something divine, oh yeah.
Now my hair has been prepped. I want to add some extensions. I'm gonna use these faux lock braids, maybe 2 or 3, because I wanted to give the illusion of volume in my hair. I don't know how to do this because I've never done it before, but I'm just gonna find a way to attach it to my natural hair. And this is my first ever attempt, so I think what I want to try is maybe put my hairband in between the loops of the faux locks I feel like 2 should be enough because 3 might be a bit too thick. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I ended up doing 3 hair extensions instead of 2 because I feel like it's not gonna make that much of a difference, but let's see. Then I'm gonna just spin this around my natural hair. Okay, and then I'm now gonna put a scarf over my hair just so it can neaten and flatten while I get my face done, while I do my makeup. Now to do my face. My skin is prepped. I've applied moisturizer and I'm gonna start off with my eyes. I'm trying to do something very simple, but I want to see if at least my eyes can be just a little bit dramatic, but I want the makeup on my face to be subtle. I mean, I can plan it, but then we'll see how I can execute that. I'm going to use a really light shade of concealer as the base of my eyeshadow. And that is my final look. I enjoyed putting this together. I'm really excited to be wearing my natural hair out more often. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will catch you on the next one. Until then,
Something divine, oh yeah. Something divine, oh yeah. Something, okay, listen.